So last night when I finished work, got into the car and I was greeted with this. Got a couple of warning messages for some bulbs, which I assume are just blown. I've got a brake light bulb out and apparently a side light bulb out. I believe it's the same bulb. I think it's what they call a twin filament bulb. So a little bit like this. So you've got one filament for the brake light and another filament for the side light. If I show you a different type of bulb, so that's a single filament bulb. We'll just do either a brake light or a side light, as opposed to that one that does both. So join me around the back and let's go and have a look and see what's going on. So luckily for me, it's just started raining, so I do pick my moments. But access to the rear lights is through this little cubby here. And then you've just got to get this bit of trim out of your nails. There we go. So you pull that out there, and then you're greeted with some bulb holders. I believe it's the inside one here, so the closest one to the backlight. So if we just twist that round, left edge way, there we go, and that'll be why the bulb's blown then. That is well and truly mullered. So I'm just going to put the camera down and I'll just take the bulb out. So after a few minutes, I managed to get the bulb out. I have to be really careful because you can see where the bulb has failed. It's cracked. In order to get the bulb out of the holder, you need to essentially push it down and twist it, and then it comes off. So I used quite a thick rag in order not to cut myself. So we've confirmed that it's a twin filament, so you can see two filaments on the bottom. You can also see either side you've got the locating pins. There's generally two types, so you've got the parallel pins like this one, and then you've also got what they call the offset pins, which is like this one here. So you can see that pins are offset, so that bulb will not fit in that bulb holder, so you need to make sure that you get the one with the parallel pins, which this one has. Let's pop it in and see if it works. So once the bulb is in, just need to locate it back into the bulb holder, give it a twist so it, and then we'll just pop that there for now in the interest of time. Let's go and see if we've still got a warning on the dash. Hopefully not. Yeah, we know my boots have still got a brake light out.
Emotional damage!
Let's go and have another look. So this is the new bulb I just fitted. It looks okay. It's a little bit crusty on the actual connections there, so I've just got another bulb and put it in. So let's go and have a look, see whether it makes any difference. And there we go. It's like it was just a fault with that new bulb. So that's it. Another problem fixed on the Alpha. If only they were all that easy. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you soon.